The PowerVision requires you to identify and locate the Harley-Davidson diagnostic connector. Today I'm going to show you how to identify that connector using this 2012 V-Rod night rod. This video will cover models 2002 to 2013 V-Rods. The night rod's diagnostic connector is located behind the right-hand side frame cover of the motorcycle. The V-Rod Muscles diagnostic connector will be located in the same location, just the covers will be different. It will require a metric Allen key set to remove these covers. To access the diagnostic connector, you'll remove this Allen bolt. And then remove the side cover. You'll notice the diagnostic port with a gray cover with a black plastic plug in it. You'll then take the PowerVision cable and plug it in, and you're all set.
For more information on the products featured here, please head to our website, denniskirk.com.